In this video, I will be going over the present value formula. Now, this formula may look familiar, mostly because it's the future value formula, except it is solved for another variable. This time it's present value, which is represented by the letters PV. Future value, which is represented by FV, and then we add the place where we get the effective interest rate, with R representing the APR, K representing the number of compounding periods of the year, and T representing the length of the investment. So for this example, we're going to start out with $1,000, and it's going to be at an interest rate of 4%. And to make things simple, we're going to have 12 compounding periods in a year, otherwise known as monthly compounding. And we're going to put that also in the exponent, and it's going to be a 4-year investment. So, like with every math expression, we're going to be solving for the inside of the parentheses out, and we're going to start by obtaining the effective monthly interest rate, which is going to be about 1/3 of a percentage point. And there are going to be 48 compounding periods over the entire length of the investment. We're going to carry down every single term and not to miss anything, otherwise your result is going to be wrong. And like with the future value formula, remember to use the decimal interest rate, as the percentage interest rate will give a result that is higher than the actual result. And we're going to get a final result of $866.07. Thank you for watching.